How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you on how you can create a subdeck in Anki. So you can create a subdeck by your created decks before, but to demonstrate this video, let's go ahead and create a new one by clicking on the create deck option. Now, of course, from here, you can name your deck to whatever you want to. To make things easier, I'm just going to name this 1, 2, 3. Click on OK, and then you want to do the same thing, which is to just click on the create deck option. You then want to type the deck that you want to create a subdeck of, and then you want to insert this symbol right here. Hit space, and basically you can then name your subdeck right after. So with this one, let's name it 321. Click on OK, and then a plus icon will then appear on our deck, and then our subdeck will then appear right here. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.